Hello everyone. Today we are organizing a thrilling debate session with the students of Mavericks, and it is going to be a one-on-one debate session. Let's begin.
On 16 September 1921, when the topic reservation was introduced to the citizens of India, it was an affirmative action took by the government in order to provide the equal rights facilities to those people who belong to lower caste, just like SC, ST, OBC, and many more. I believe that the reservation which has been given to the people or to the students who belong to lower caste, it should not be abolished by anyone, because the right they have got is their justice. Whatever they are getting, it is important, because we have seen that how they were treated by the upper caste people earlier in ancient times in past. They were ruthlessly deprived, they were discriminated in terms of everything. So in my eyes, they must get reservation.
It's been more than 100 years that reservation system has been introduced, and we need changes, and even we need abolition of this system. Reservation system was to introduce equality among the people. It's been more than 100 years. I think that, and even it is proven that equality has been established. We do not need a reservation system furthermore. And even when it was introduced by Bhimrao Ambedkar, he said that it should be there for 10 years, not more than that.
Okay, I appreciate your point, as you mentioned that in the context of equality only, that the topic reservation was introduced. So let me clear you, we are living in India, one of the most diversified country in the world. Here, more than 70% of population still belongs to rural areas, and they are uneducated. I'm not saying that they are SC/ST, but most of them are. Still, if you move to places like states like Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, where you can find still people are deprived of all these things. Still, they were facing untouchability. Still, women were following the Parda system. Why? It has been demolished, but still people are following the same thing. Because of their caste, because of the tag they have been since their birth. What's their fault? Nothing. If they are getting facilities, so what's wrong in that? They are getting the right. They are getting their, we can say, birthright. If they are having facility in terms of education, in terms of jobs, in terms of whatever government given them, it is justified.
Okay, it is good to have this system in rural areas, but what's about cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai? Reservation system should not be there, because as most of people lose their chances to be the one that they desire because of this reservation system. It's a type of governmental discrimination on the state, or you can say national level.
I don't believe it. I agree with this thing that when Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar implemented this policy, reservation, he clearly mentioned that only for 2 years it must be there, or more than that. But he mentioned one thing clearly, that reservation must be modified, not to be abolished. Modified in terms of like we need to do a survey, like, and if at that time a person belongs to SC/ST caste, he or she needs that reservation. But now, if he or she is enough capable of having everything or not, still we have seen in COVID times they have got the facilities because they want that, they deserve that. But modification must be there, but to abolish this system doesn't make any sense.
As Bhimrao Ambedkar sir said that it should be modified. What's where the modification? It's been more than 100 years, and
it doesn't matter. Time doesn't matter. Matters the condition.
Time matters in everyone's life.
Circumstances. Time doesn't.
Circumstances has been changed.
Here time doesn't matter. We have seen people deprived still.
We listen about ST, scheduled tribes. There is no one tribes in Delhi.
See, okay, just tell me one thing. When this policy was introduced, what was the purpose behind it? Just to provide them equal rights, right? And the purpose is that they are not getting the status in the society. The purpose wasn't education, wasn't job. The purpose is to get the right, to get the respect in society.
If you're talking about rights, I'll talk about my school life. In my class, there are kids belong to different caste, ST, SC, general, and they are being discriminated over these castes. Even they are getting like good education, equal education, but still in other exams like entrance exams, they are being discriminated because of this system.
but still people call them, they are getting facility because they belong to lower caste. They don't understand that why they are getting it.
What's
right?
about the competition? Why they are having competition? Even a general student scores very good marks, and even if a SC student scores 30%, he gets the admission into like other higher colleges.
Their sufferings clarify every answers what they are getting now. They have suffered in the past for a very long time. You
But
mentioned
it's
it
about
has been
present.
100 years, more than 100 years they suffered.
And this you're talking about
this system
that's
was created under the British rule because of these things only, because they were deprived during the British rule, and now even that's why they're getting these facilities.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.